What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is kind of like a really nice day out to work on the car. So I was out here because I got an oil change that's coming up pretty soon, and I also wanted to get to this light. But I had a buddy that works at the dealership. He drives a Malibu, and he called me yesterday and said, "Hey man, what's up, man? You almost due for oil change, and just wanted to check up on you." So I was like, "Nah, man, I'm doing good and everything like that." So anyways, before I took the car over to him, I did notice, like, see, I got my oil this tray here, this oil tray. I guess that's what it's called. I forgot what this called. But, kind of been keeping an eye on this charge pipe right here. I mean, it's probably normal, but I know I have a catch can on here, and right over here in this charge pipe area. So wanted to inspect it a little bit, because when I took the catch can off, I noticed that there's very little oil in here. So yeah, I've been trying to, ever since I started modding this car, been trying to take everything serious here, especially with the mods and all that, good stuff, fun stuff. I think I installed this catch can probably a few months ago, maybe 4 or 5 months, and I don't have that much oil in here. So I'm trying to figure out if that oil is being pushed back or something like that. I mean, this has never been dumped out at all. Let me know. I mean, are you getting more oil than this? Because it seems like it's been on here for a pretty long time. It should have more oil than that. More products have been coming out, so I don't just want to be putting cheap stuff on here. So this right here is got a lot of dirt in it and also oil. I just recently did some stuff over here, and then I noticed this like a long time ago, actually, but I didn't pay it no mind. I thought it was probably from before I put the catch can on, but this right here seems a little bit muddy, not like kind of new, and because it means that oil is probably running through the turbo or something like that. I'm not even sure. Actually, yeah, did notice some oil on the turbo when I was cleaning my intake. Anybody in the community would know how or having the same problem with their catch can, let me know. This is how it's routed. Maybe I have to change that or something. It's a custom catch can here. Yeah, I mean, well, this is just a sticker. This is not from Bad News Racing. So yeah, and I noticed some oil there on the turbo. But if anybody has any information on how this is supposed to be routed, I'm not sure if this is the right way or the wrong way. Supposedly it's supposed to catch more oil than this, because I'm seeing more oil down underneath and on the charge pipe than inside here. So yeah, just a quick update. You guys stay tuned. I got more stuff coming for you guys. I know this was just spare the moment right now. Yeah, about to take this to the dealership to my friend. He actually does the oil change for me for free, and he has a Malibu, and he loves they love this car over there. But whatever mods I do to it, they're not to say much, because it is a dealership, so any mods that you do to your engine and all that stuff could void warranties and all that stuff. But we don't care about no warranty, man. The car will be driven out of warranty before you even get to the 5 years. Anyways, I'm not even sure what I should do. Maybe change it completely. I don't know. I'm just gonna go online and see if there's another solution, because it's not really catching anything, actually, to tell you the truth. My friend, he told me to bring it by to see to set up, because he actually wanted to get a catch can for his Malibu. It's kind of soaked, if you can see right there. It's dry on one side and it's kind of like, you know, might not be a big problem, but I'll make sure. I just want to make sure this car is getting the best that it can get, man, to tell you the truth. It's no more playing around with this car. You know, it's like you got to get serious about these things, man. When you mod your car, you want to mod it. You want to have the right mods. All right, so this light right here, I'm going to take this off because it got some condensation in it. So I'm just going to go and get a blow dryer and try to get that out of there. I did have like a hole inside my the cap here. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I got some more stuff coming for you guys. Just stay tuned. Got some really cool stuff that's going to be happening to the car, man. So yeah, charge pipe. When I took it off, I noticed a little bit of oil inside here. So I'm guessing that it's probably running through the intercooler. I'm not even sure. I was kind of concerned about that, but it could be something that's normal, but I don't know, because I'm not a professional. So that's why I made this video, just in case you guys are running a catch can and then you're wondering if it's catching any of the oil. So if this is normal, let me know. If not, you know, I'm still gonna take it somewhere to get checked out. This is the pan here. There's no leaks from the bottom, nothing here. All the pan's clean. Everything's $150, man. So I am going to consider getting someone to check this out as far as the catch can, because I want to make sure that there's no oil backing up into the system, and you know, yeah, man. Yeah, these are the small things that you got to really look at, man, because it could cause damage in the long run. As you can see, this engine, I do take care of this car, man. So any little signs of something that's off, you gotta get it, you know, taken care of before any major things happen. Like, look how low this car is. This car is very low. So I drive this car very carefully. Like it just came from the dealership. Everything here is dry. The frame is good. See, the exhaust doesn't shake or rattle. Everything is nice up underneath here. Oil pan is clean, nice and shiny. I mean, sometimes the dealership they just throw the oil in and everything like that, but this car is pretty good shape. Yeah, just wanted to let you guys see that. This car is clean, man. It should be clean, but yeah. Super clean, man. Alright guys, leave a comment just in case, you know. I want to know if you guys are experiencing anything as far as your catch can or anything like that. super clean, man. There's the downpipe right there. All right, guys. Catch you later.